Okay, I have my TV, LG, 65 inches. Okay, right here's the top. LG 65. So the issue is punch lines. Okay, after you turn it on, few seconds after or minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, you can see the lines coming down and go dark, and nothing happened after that. I mean, no image, no picture. So what I did is I checked out the flex cables. People that say jump flex cables, but you can see that the first one was damaged. Check it out. Right here. Right there you can see the shadow is open. So this one right here was open. I'm gonna try to see the shadow. Okay, it's open. So the other side, right here, probably right there. You can see on the shadow this line. Open. Okay, now is the second one. See the same thing right there. This one. Check out this one. Open. Both lines. Okay. So one more time. Second one. It's open right there. So this one and this one. So on the other side, the same flex cable. So see, this one is the bed. It's open right there. Okay. So after I check it out, these flex cables or connections, I replaced for these models. Now the TV is working properly. Nice, good. See right there. Okay. Change picture without problem. So let's go. Click this one, and you can see good picture, nice picture. Right there. Okay, so first thing, before you put some tape there, probably you're gonna put tape on one or the other one or second one, and it is do the same job, I mean same problem, so you have to replace those. Okay, so you can able to get it online from China, and easy to replace. I'm lucky I have a DOS from 75-inch TV LG. I take it off from old one and I replace this one, so now working perfect.